This is an honor, and we're very happy po, of course, and grateful to the Eddies and the members of Speed for this recognition. Nakakatawa lang po na kahit last year pa po yung pelikula namin, it's still being recognized. And I think we should be proud of ourselves po that we were able to, bring up and make history with this film. So nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga people who's responsible for it, especially my bosses, GMA Pictures po, Ms. Annette, Ms. Nessa, thank you so much. And of course to Sir Carlo, of course ABS-CBN, maraming salamat po for the opportunity, and I hope that sana po, isa lang naman po talaga ang pangarap ko as of this moment. And sana po talaga magmura na po ang tickets ng sinehan para mas marami pong ganang producers, mga gumagawa po ng pelikula, at para mas marami rin pong makanood ng mga kababayan natin, not only here but especially po abroad. So with this award po, maraming salamat po again to the 8th Eddies, and I think last year po I was also an awardee. Alam po siguro baka may schedule po tayo nun, pero maraming salamat po for another year of recognition, and I hope this won't be the last. Thank you so much.
Films for coming together to make this reunion project happen. Dirk Peterson, Vargas for guiding us and holding our hand throughout this whole process. Our co-actors, hi Kyle, congratulations! And of course to my leading man, Joshua Garcia. Hi Josh, congratulations! I'm so proud of what we continue to build together through storytelling. So this is for us!
Ako po ulit, on behalf of Mr. Joshua Garcia, maraming salamat for this recognition. Congrats, Jill.
Thank you.